Executor Arknight. Cosplay costume. The making. For this project, I use old boxes to create wings just like this. To make it harder, each wing part had a 3-layer of cutted box. The thicker, the better. Next, I used balloon stick as a holder for the wing. For wing part, I used black fabric to cover up each piece. To change the color of stick, use black spray paint. Here's what it looks like when wearing this wings. For the halo head dress, I also used old boxes to create a round shape, just like this. Like what I said earlier, the thicker the better. That's why I made 3-layer for the halo. Then cover it with black fabric. Use spray paint to hide all the glue stick mark. And here's the final result for this cosplay costume.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing